Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here and say happy college decision day. This is such a big day. Congratulations, you now know where you're going to college. All of the waiting and hard work is over. You now know where you're going to school, and it's going to be the best 4 years of your life. If you're going to Alabama, definitely comment a Roll Tide down below, or if you're not, that's cool too. Definitely comment where you're going to school so we can see where everybody's going and build one community together. If you're a girl and you're thinking of going through sorority recruitment, definitely subscribe to my channel. Basically, what I talk about on here is tips and tricks about going through sorority recruitment and how to get your top house. The reason I created this channel is because when I was going through sorority recruitment, I didn't know anything about it. And I wish I would have had someone to give me tips and tricks about what it's like to go through and what I need to be doing in order to get my top house. So I created this channel to give you guys the tips and tricks I learned along the way from going through recruitment, being in a sorority and being in-house for a year of recruitment, and also being a recruitment counselor. I learned a lot throughout my time at the University of Alabama about Greek life and about going through sorority recruitment, and I want to share all of the hidden and secret tips and tricks that I learned along the way with you guys so you have the best experience possible and that you can get your top house. So definitely subscribe down below if this interests you and you want to learn more about sorority recruitment. If you have specific topics you want me to talk about or questions you want me to answer, definitely comment those down below, or you can message me on social media, which I will link in the description box. All right, you guys, that's it for today's quick little video. I just wanted to come on and say congratulations. It's such an exciting day that we need during times like this. I hope you and your family are staying safe and healthy, and I know we all can't wait for things to get back to normal. I also hope you guys have a great rest of your day celebrating this amazing achievement you've just done. All right, I will see you guys in the next video.